the excitement of the 1990 NBA Finals.
Leading his defending champion Pistons against the Trailblazers, Isiah Thomas took over in the fourth quarter of Game 1.
How many times have we seen Isiah? He presses the inner button in the heart, and all of a sudden he just takes it on.
Isiah played one of those magic 10 minutes where he was on fire and really bailed us out because we were struggling in every direction.
But in Game 2, Clyde Drexler and the Blazers came roaring back to even the series.
There was some doubt because Portland had come in and beat us in our building, and that really shook us. Laimbeer stood up on the bus and said, we're going to go to Portland, we're going to win 3.
Come on, down! Let's go right now. Let's push ourselves right now. Let's go.
Thomas. Laimbeer lays it in. This is what you call a good old-fashioned blowout.
After 2 straight wins, Detroit faced a tight Game 5 as they looked to clinch the title.
Let's go to a 1-2. Let's see your X. Anything, you got to get the ball in his hand. Let's go, X. Go, X.
Isiah, right side pass to Vinnie Johnson with 3. Vinnie Johnson with 1 second to go. His shot is good.
You've got a great team. Congratulations to you, the Pistons in the city of Detroit.
We welcome you to Boston, where the hometown Celtics trailed 2-1 in the NBA Finals.
My whole family, all the kids, you know, mom, dad, the wife, everybody just went green.
Game 4 has created many memorable moments in the Lakers-Celtics rivalry, and we are expecting more of the same here tonight.
McHale and Henderson go for Rambis, and boy, they got him. 84 was just an absolute war from the get-go.
In 85, DJ, who never was afraid of taking the big shot. He nailed the jumper and they win the game.
Dennis Johnson, 2 seconds. It's good. The game is over.
87 is, to me, the one that is the most memorable.
5 seconds left. Backing down the middle, just what I thought. A hook shot at 12. Yeah!
The Lakers take the floor in Boston with a chance to drive a stake through the Celtics' heart here tonight. Celtics inbound to Pierce, right wing, curling around the screen, top of the key. Pierce up with a leaner, and hits.
Pierce fakes, nice move on Artest. Gets it to go. Pierce, a terrific start.
Very aggressive by Pierce right from the get-go against Ron Artest, who hasn't really bothered him at all.
All day. Tag, shot. They can't switch it, so all day.
Keep your movement. Boom, 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 boom.
Out front, Bryant nails a 3. Kobe pushes LA up. Bryant again, another 3 from straight on.
Lakers 37, Celtics 33.
They have been aggressive and physical from the opening tip.
Uneven execution by both teams here.
Pass in for Gasol, sandwich, and is hammered inside.
A defensive slugfest. Good, tough, physical battle.
Pierce dribbles right around a screen. Vujicic's defense on a switch. Left wing jump to Allen. A 3. Blocked by Gasol. Garnett has it. Turns and shoots and hits at the buzzer.
We're at halftime in Boston. And the Celtics, despite their offensive problems, only trail by 3.
Now we had a little 8-point lead there, and we gave it up. We gave up 5 of those points.
Can't have these wasted possessions offensively, okay? The missed shots we'll live with, but the wasted possessions we can't have. Keep making the next pass.
Bryant turns against Allen. Allen crowds him. Kobe a step back 3.
Shot clock down to 5. Bryant drills a 3-pointer. After an ugly first half, this one is picked up.
Hey, listen up, listen up. Hey, let's finish the game. Finish the game.
Davis backs down on him.
Davis wheels to the rim for the right, and then reverses it from the left side with the right hand.
He's unbelievable. 11 points in 13 minutes.
Robinson coming left. Now Odom has picked him up. He drives him to the lane and lays it in.
And these two off the bench. A superb job.
Nate dribbles past Gasol. Pass Fisher. Hangs in the air. Floater with the right hand. The Celtics bench on the verge of winning this game all by themselves.
They're taking it to the basket on it. Take a stop. Did a charge on Davis. Stop him. He's killed us.
On the drive, Tony Allen. Davis the rebound. Banks it in. And a foul.
Still 6-point game. Anything can happen.
Kobe up court, guarded by Ray Allen. Kobe driving, baseline right, pass outside, tipped away by Rondo.
Rondo with the layup.
A Game 4 victory to tie the series at 2.
Big game! Big game!
Boston winning 96-89 in a game in which the bench fueled the whole rally in that fourth quarter.
Character, will, determination, togetherness, you know, just coming together and playing hard. That's all it was.
What it's going to take to win a championship this year? It's going to take sacrifice. It's going to take an uncanny amount of energy and strength, unity, a little bit of luck sprinkled in there, and who knows?
This Celtics team right now is just playing at such an incredible level.
And to win, it's truly, truly about the team. And if it's not, then you'll find out the hard way.
This team is a total team and does not accept anything other than going out and doing your best for your team.
You have 12, 15 individuals, and all of them have unique talents. But if it doesn't translate into what you're trying to do into the team, then it's not going to work.
No Celtic has led the team in scoring 2 games in a row in these playoffs. It's not about points with the Celtics because they share the wealth of such a balanced team right now.
A person is a person through other people.
I know you all want to win, but you got to do it together.
I can't be all I can be unless you are all you can be.
Sacrifice is a big part of my team.
Off the deflection, he'll get it back. Rondo takes it away!
You know, one night someone else may have it going, but you got to always root for your teammates and wish them the best.
Spins, puts it up. Banks it in. Rondo putting on a show.
Another title, that's the focus, that's the goal. That's it. Then I represent my teammates in the franchise in which I play.